Hello friends, welcome in my video series image processing using Python. In this video I'll just tell you how to transpose the image. So image transpose, I'll say, just first comment it and I'll save this in the folder. That folder name is Python on the desktop. So here I'll give that file name transpose.py, this one, and I am already in this folder. So first I'll just open that any image from that folder, like image. First I need to include or import that library from pill import image class. Now here I can use that image class to open any image, like nature dot, not nature, I just take another image, because that in transpose we can flip that image in 90-degree or in like mirror image. So here on desktop in this folder I have one more image, this one. So this image I can flip it or I can make it to the 90-degree. So flipping means just making this image mirror image. So image 1 is the image that I'll just use here, image1.jpg. I think it is JPG. First I'll check it. Yeah, this is JPG image, and I'll just display this first. Now check it after saving it. This is Python 3 I am using, transpose.py. Now this image is displaying properly. Now here I'll just tell you how to transpose this image. I'll just take one more variable, transposed, suppose transposed image. I'll just take this as a variable, and which image I need to transpose, that is like image, this original image. Transpose, and here using that image class I can flip left right. It means I am just making or creating the mirror image of the original image. I'll show this or display it. Transposed image that I want to display, and use the show. So this would be the original image and this would be the flipped image, we can say. It means mirror image of the original image. I'll save it and I'll just run it. You can see this, right? So you can say this is, if it is original image, this is the mirror image of this one, right? Again I just give you the another example which is of 90-degree flipping. So I'll take other variable for this, like image 1. I'll just transposed image 1, that I'll just take here as another variable, and again same image I'll just transpose it. Image, and now here top bottom, it means this will be flipped to the 90-degree, and I'll just display transpose image 1 dot show. So this will I just cut and paste one. Wait, I'll save it, I'll run it. You can see what happened. This is the mirror image and this one transposed. I think something is sorry, I have not written here flip this one, right? So that's why it was not giving the proper output. I'll just run it again. You can see this is the 90 degree. This one is a mirror image, like flip to left, and this is the 90 degree of this original image. So in this way you can flip the image like to the mirror and in 90 degree. So this was the very simple program how to transpose that image, original image, to mirror, or we can say to the 90 degree. So this is very simple video. So hope so you like this video. So please like it, subscribe it and share it. Thank you very much.